This is TechCrunch.
Apple had a great Q1, though iPhone sales were the real standout. The company reports that its signature device had its best quarter ever, thanks partially to a surge of sales in regions like China and India. iPhone had its best ever quarter driven by unprecedented demand, with all-time records across every geographic segment, said CEO Tim Cook during the company's earnings call Thursday. Apple's earnings report shows the company sold $85 billion worth of iPhones during its first quarter, up from $69 billion in the same period last year. During the call's Q&A portion, Cook revealed that China had seen a huge surge in sales, saying that it was driven by the iPhone, where the company set an all-time revenue record. Cook said the sales bump had been driven by enthusiasm for the iPhone 17, which was announced in September. The new model has proven to be significantly more popular than the company's previous iPhone. Apple's earnings report shows that its overall sales in the Greater China region jumped from $18.5 billion in the year-ago quarter to $25.5 billion. Cook noted that, overall, the company had fared quite well in the region. Cook also highlighted India as another region where iPhones, as well as other products, seemed to be flying off the shelves. Cook called it a terrific quarter in a country that he noted is the second largest smartphone market in the world and the fourth largest PC market. The iPhone aside, Apple's overall sales jumped across every geographical region. Its earnings report shows. In the Americas, for instance, sales went from $52.6 billion a year ago to $58.5 billion, while in Europe, sales increased by more than $4 billion. OpenAI, a company already valued at $500 billion, has made it known that it's on the hunt for another $100 billion in investment. Such a funding round could lead the company's valuation to shoot up to a titanic $830 billion. The Wall Street Journal is now reporting that Amazon may contribute at least $50 billion of that record-breaking investment. Not much is known about the potential deal, although the journal notes that Amazon's CEO, Andy Jassy, is currently leading the negotiations with OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. TechCrunch reached out to Amazon and OpenAI for comment. In its pursuit of additional funding, OpenAI has also reportedly been having discussions with sovereign wealth funds in the Middle East, and the New York Times has written that the startup has held additional talks with NVIDIA, Microsoft, and SoftBank. The funding deal is expected to close by the end of Q1. Such a partnership between Amazon and OpenAI would be particularly interesting because of Amazon's close ties to the OpenAI competitor Anthropic. Amazon's AWS is the primary cloud and training provider for Anthropic, and the company has invested at least $8 billion into Anthropic. Amazon also recently opened an $11 billion data center campus in Indiana, designed to exclusively run Anthropic models. That's it from TechCrunch. For more tech stories like these, go to TechCrunch.com.